What are the best daily exercises at home for women? Staying fit and healthy doesn't always require a gym membership or expensive equipment. For women, balancing work, family, and personal life can make it difficult to find time to exercise outside the home. The good news is that you can achieve great results by doing simple, effective workouts right at home. Daily exercises help improve strength, flexibility, energy levels, and mental health while also keeping weight under control. In this article, we will explore the best daily exercises women can do at home, why they are effective, and how to build a balanced routine that suits any lifestyle. Why daily exercise matters for women. Before diving into specific exercises, let's understand why consistency is key. Improved strength and posture. Daily workouts strengthen muscles, reduce back pain, and prevent injuries. Better heart health. Exercises like squats, push-ups, and cardio movements boost circulation and keep the heart strong. Weight management. Regular movement helps burn calories and prevent fat storage. Stress relief. Exercise increases endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters. Hormonal balance. For women, regular exercise can help regulate menstrual cycles and ease menopause symptoms. The goal isn't to exercise for hours, but to dedicate 20 to 30 minutes a day to movements that keep the body active and strong. 1 warm-up, 5 minutes. Every workout should start with a warm-up, but this prepares your muscles and joints, reduces injury risk, and increases blood flow. Women can do these simple moves for 30 to 60 seconds each. Arm circles, neck rotations, high knees marching in place, side-to-side steps, light stretches. Once the body is warmed up, you're ready to start the main workout. 2. Squats. Strengthen lower body. Squats are one of the most effective exercises for women. They target the thighs, hips, and glutes, while improving balance and posture. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if sitting in a chair, keeping your knees behind your toes. Push back up to standing position. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Benefits for women. Builds strength in the legs, tones, glutes, and improves daily movement like bending and lifting. 3. Push-ups. Upper body toning push-ups work the chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Women who find traditional push-ups difficult can start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. How to do it? Place hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Keep your body straight from head to toe. Lower your chest to the floor and push back up. Start with 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Benefits for women. Strengthens arms, tones, chest, and builds confidence in upper body strength. 4. Plank core strength. A strong core helps with posture, balance, and lower back health. The plank is one of the best exercises for core muscles. How to do it? Get into a push-up position but rest on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold the position without dropping your hips. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Benefits for women. Improves core strength, reduces belly fat, and helps in daily activities like carrying groceries or kids. 5. Glute bridges. Strong hips and back. Glute bridges target the lower back, hips, and glutes. They are especially useful for women who sit for long hours. How to do it? Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes. Lower back down slowly. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Benefits for women. Tones the hips, relieves lower back pain, and strengthens pelvic muscles. 6. Lunges. Balance and toning. Lunges are excellent for strengthening the thighs, glutes, and improving balance. How to do it? Stand straight with feet together. Step one leg forward and bend both knees at 90 degrees. Push back to starting position and switch legs. Do 2 sets of 10 lunges on each leg. Benefits for women. Improves coordination, tones legs, and strengthens stabilizing muscles. 7. Jumping jacks. Cardio and fat burning. Cardio exercises are essential for heart health and calorie burning. Jumping jacks are a quick way to get your heart rate up. How to do it? Stand with feet together and arms by your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Jump back to starting position. Do 2 sets of 30 to 40 seconds. Benefits for women. Burns calories, improves stamina, and boosts metabolism. 8. Yoga or stretching. Flexibility and relaxation. Adding yoga or stretching at the end of your workout keeps muscles flexible and prevents stiffness. Simple poses, like child's pose, cat-cow stretch, or downward dog help reduce stress and improve posture. Spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching after every workout. Sample daily routine for women at home 20 to 30 minutes. Warm up to 5-minute squats. 15 reps 3. Push-ups -8 to 10 reps times 2 plank. 30 seconds times 3. Glute bridges -15 reps times 3. Lunges 10 reps each. Leg times 2. Jumping jacks to 40 seconds times 2. Stretching yoga to 5 minutes. This balanced routine works on strength, flexibility, and cardio fitness without requiring equipment. Tips for women to stay consistent. Start small. Even 10 minutes daily is better than nothing. Stay hydrated. Drink water before and after workouts. Use household items. Water bottles can work as dumbbells for added resistance. Set a schedule. Morning workouts give energy, while evening sessions help relax. Track progress. Use a notebook or app to log exercises and improvements. Final thoughts: the best daily exercises at home for women don't have to be complicated. By combining bodyweight moves like squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and cardio, you can build strength, burn fat, and improve overall health all without leaving your home. The key is consistency. Even short, regular workouts will bring noticeable changes in energy, mood, and body shape over time. Whether you're a busy mom, a student, or working full-time, dedicating a few minutes each day to exercise is one of the best investments in your long-term health and happiness.